Wait, we don't have a light?
No, there's no top.
I see a sky with a rainy cloud, but I'm running. I see a train moving on too fast, but at least those signs are here still. Try to get cool footage of GTR, but nope. He said bye-bye. Hi. Can you tell us about your car?
My car? Well, it's fully stock, that's for sure.
It looks good.
But yeah.
You have a cooler car than your brother.
I know. I tell them every
If he just had a bumper and a fender, it'd be different.
She has a cooler car than you.
Stick.
Oh, she's more of a car person than you are. All right, guys, keep your hands and feet in at all times during the ride.
I still have that Snapchat.
Tips are welcomed. We work for tips here.
What? Where's the open bar?
Open bar. It's right here. Cheers.
Have that snap of me getting in the car and you'd be like, hey, it's your Uber, and keep your hands, feet, and penis inside.
That sounds about me. I forgot what I said, but I realized I probably said penis somewhere. Oh, here.
It's fucking Treyway, King of New York, looking for the queen.
What's up, bro?
Close the door.
You got the right
door was locked
one.
Locked?
Yeah, I locked it.
These bitches know, nigga. Queens, Brooklyn.
Hey, you guys scared or what? You guys scared?
Damn.
You scared?
How long has it been?
Too long? Look at this. Are you guys scared? Creepy. So Jaylene, we need something all the way in the back of the locker room.
No, you guys are locking in there.
Rob, I need something in that little creepy space over there. Don't mind it. We're gonna go over there. You guys can go in there. No, we can't tell Jaylene anything. She's gotta play this fresh. She's gonna be the person who gets to beta it like the most fresh because she hasn't seen anything. Yeah, I'm just telling you guys from like 1 to 10 being like scary. I'll bring this like an 8 or 9, and 9 would be poop your pants. 8 would be like possible pee, so pee before you play. Difficulty level, I put it at like a 6 or so. It's scary, so that's why it's difficult. So I wouldn't make it so hard. It's gonna be opening soon. I caved in, so I want to walk them through it just real briefly. No, don't look in there.
It's dark.
It is dark. Yeah? You guys are locked in. Welcome to Blackout Escape.
Damn. I wonder.
You've been captured by a serial killer. You've been taken to his torture chamber, which happens to be an abandoned building. This place is now haunted by a girl named Mary, which is one of his former victims.
Wait, we don't have a light?
No, there's no
Wait,
top.
how are we gonna?
Go in there.
No.
Use your phone flashlight. Phone? No, that's too strong.
I have a. Here. No, it's fine. I can put it low. Hold on.
Good, you guys have light. I mean, you're not really playing the game. Jaylene's like, I'm taking my light out.
2 lights or 1 light?
No. There's no pop-ups, right? There's no pop-ups, right?
I don't think so.
Oh, no.
So we're just gonna record some audio reactions because I don't want you guys to see this space.
No.
That's scary, yo. Okay, check this one out.
No, dude. No, dude. No. Where's my? Okay. Don't leave.
Whoa!
No.
What the hell? This shit's moving.
What was that?
It was like a box. I don't know what this is. This was moving first. I know it's this, or this, I don't know if it was a light moving.
I'll have them do it right now. Okay, guys, that's just the audio portion of the escape room. They got fucking spooked. That was fucking hilarious. Currently heading home to have lunch with the family. You know, guys, the escape room, I'm so excited about it. It's so funny because the guys honestly got scared. Hello, love. What do you have? Popcorn? We love popcorn.
Lunch is served. Hey, if you guys haven't been watching, you guys want to binge watch with me? Alaska State Troopers. Ooh, good episode. The only time I watch anything is usually when I'm eating, which is fairly quickly. AC is still not working. Our electrician and AC guy is here trying to fix it. There's only about one more puzzle to finish up on this escape room. I ended up adding another one as the guys were working on the other one because I just wanted to make it extra scary for you guys. So as of right now, my birthday's on Saturday. I was thinking about opening Saturday, but I'm not sure what the guys want to do. I know this guy. Who is you?
Hello.
How you doing? Eat fresh?
Semi-healthy.
Semi. So yeah, John's on lunch right now. So we're gonna try to figure out what to do with the escape room. In time, I'm running to grab a drink at the liquor store. Girl, the liquor. Let's get some. I got this one because the other one was a little sketchy. It was really dirty. Let's give this a try. Housekeeping. Somebody. And we are back to work. End of day. What kinda? Now we gotta get back to the other office. This is your second Uber for today. This time you're in the Ram 3500 dually. You go from environmentally friendly electric vehicle to diesel.
Diesel.
These nuts.
Diesel. Oh, shit. Super close.
Saline in here, boys. Look at this bad boy. Okay. Slow down your Honda Civic with the shark fins on the wrong side. Jesus Louise. Oh my gosh, look. You got a Genesis. Oh, you got the Z. That's nice.
Oh my goodness. Is somebody home? Hello. Hi, love. Food? Is it good? Are you eating with a shovel?
Good.
Oh, you said it's good? You like mama's
Bye.
cooking? Bye already? Alright, alright. No? Hi, Turbs. Hi, Turbs. My big boy. Come here, big boy.